going on? Really? I see. You don't want to talk at all? But they don't want you on the property recording, okay? So if you go up there, you're loitering, we'll arrest you, okay?
Reynolds Corner Station, Toledo, Ohio. United States Post Office. There's a big post office here. Reynolds Corner Station, Toledo, Ohio. The flag's flying high. Yeah, let's go in and take a look. These are post office hours. Some of your free boxes. Well, here's poster 7. Rules and regulations governing conduct on Postal Service property. See right here. Photographs for news, advertising, or commercial purposes is permitted. There's another sign. They have their proper signage up. And deposit mail here. And right here. This building dedicated to public service in 1991. George Bush, President of the United States. Some self-service. P.O. Box mail. Got an emergency exit only.
Are you videotaping in here? Excuse me. Are you videotaping in here?
I'm just following your poster 7 guidelines, rules and regulations that govern conduct on Postal Service property.
One moment.
Just following your poster 7.
Sorry. Okay, so that's it. We might have been putting this one right. And then says select reason code, it was 0 input and utility. And then enter comments.
Here's some of your different packaging that you can use. Different shipping supplies.
Sir, management had asked
ask me that you leave the premises,
You're not gonna allow
or I
me,
have to call the police.
you won't allow me to purchase stamps?
Pardon me?
You won't allow me to purchase my stamps, or?
Okay. Okay.
I'm just following the rules of your poster 7.
I'm just going by what my supervisor said.
Okay, if you're not gonna, I'll leave under threat of duress, but I'll leave under
You
threat.
need to stop videotaping.
Is it about me leaving, or is it about the videotaping? Okay, so we're following poster 7 rules and regulations. Photographs for news and advertising purposes is permitted in here.
Oh, you're gonna email me.
Okay, so she's calling the police for First Amendment protected activity. Wow. This is unbelievable. And we'll step out for now because we'll step out for now and wait for him out here. We're not going to get served our stamp. We're not getting served our stamps, guys. Wow. They're not going to service our stamps, guys. No stamps. This post office here in Toledo, Ohio, they called the cops on us. They refused to service us, give us our stamps. They did have poster 7 up, but they refused to follow their poster 7 rules and regulations. So this is a major fail right now. United States Post Office, Reynolds Corner Station, Toledo, Ohio.
How you doing? What's going on? Really? I see. You don't want to talk at all? Okay. Have a nice
What's
day.
going on? You guys get a call or what?
Yeah, we got a call.
Okay. I didn't call you. I don't need your help. You guys are worthless. You're worthless. You're dismissed. Go solve some real crime. Go educate them on the First Amendment. That's how it's done, guys. Toledo police owned There they go, guys. Government protecting their own. They don't work for we the people. They work for the state. These police don't protect we the people. They don't serve we the people. They serve the state. They serve the United States Post Office.
As you already know, you're welcome to be out here recording all you want, but they don't want you on the property recording, okay? So if you go up there, you're loitering, we'll arrest you, okay?
Loitering at a
But
U.S.
you can
Post
be out
Office?
here recording all you want.
Wait a
okay?
minute, no, wait a minute.
Have a
Why
nice
don't you
day.
teach them the First Amendment rights and to follow their Postal 7? Can I get a name and badge number, please?
Okay, sir.
Does I have a name and badge number? Then your orders don't mean nothing. Name and badge number. Can I get your name and badge number, officer? If you're gonna give me orders, I need to know who's giving them to me. Okay, so we got Patrol Unit 190, Toledo Police Department, refused to identify. Got 2 officers. Got a car, oh.
Here you go, sir.
I can't get your ID?
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, have at it.
Yep,
Have fun there.
yeah, have a good day.
Yeah, you do.
Appreciate it. Okay, so these tyrants here, tyrant cops, guys, threatening to trespass me or get me for loitering, for buying stamps, following rules and regulations of Poster 7. They don't serve we the people, they serve the state. Freedom lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe for the best ID Refusal First Amendment Audit FAIL YouTube videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, First Amendment Audit, I'm out.